Your plant is trying to tell you something. And most people who see yellow leaves do the exact same thing. They water it more, cross their fingers, and hope for the best. That's usually the thing that kills it. Yellow leaves are not a problem. They're a symptom. And treating the wrong cause is like taking cough medicine when you have a broken leg. It makes you feel like you're doing something, while the real issue quietly gets worse. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to read what your plant is telling you. By the end, you'll be able to look at a yellow leaf and know, with confidence, whether it's a watering issue, a light issue, a nutrient issue, or something else entirely. But here's the thing we need to address first, and almost nobody talks about this. Not all yellow leaves mean your plant is dying. There's a reason doctors don't diagnose patients by just one symptom. Context matters. And with plants, the pattern of yellowing is everything. So let's run through the 4 most common causes, starting with the one responsible for roughly 90% of cases. Cause 1, overwatering. This is the big one. The one most plant owners never suspect because it feels wrong, too much love being the problem. Here's what's actually happening underground. When soil stays wet for too long, oxygen gets pushed out of the root zone. And roots without oxygen don't function, they start to rot. When the roots rot, they can't deliver nutrients to the leaves. So the leaves turn yellow and drop. Here's how to spot it. The yellowing is usually uniform, whole leaves going pale, not just the edges. It affects the lower and middle leaves first. And when you stick your finger 2 inches into the soil, it's wet. Still wet. It was wet last time you checked too. The fix? Stop watering immediately. Let the soil dry out completely before the next water. If you suspect root rot, take the plant out of the pot and inspect the roots. Healthy roots are white and firm. Rotten roots are brown, soft, and smell like old socks. Cut away the rotted sections with clean scissors, repot in fresh, dry soil, and give the plant a week before watering again. Cause 2, not enough light. Plants make their food through photosynthesis. No light, no food. And a plant slowly starving looks almost identical to an overwatered plant. The pattern here is slightly different. The yellowing tends to be gradual. It starts with older leaves. The plant may also look leggy, stretching toward the nearest light source, like it's reaching for something it can't quite get to. They move a light-starved plant into direct, harsh sunlight and the leaves burn. Cause 3, nutrient deficiency. This one has a tell. If the veins of your leaves are still green but the tissue between them has gone yellow, that pattern has a name. It's called interveinal chlorosis. And it almost always means your plant is low in iron, magnesium, or manganese. This usually happens for one of 2 reasons. Either the soil has been depleted because the plant has been in the same pot for years, pulling nutrients until there's nothing left, or the soil pH is off, which locks nutrients in the soil so the roots literally can't absorb them even when they're present. The fix: use a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season. If you haven't repotted in more than 2 years, it's probably time. Fresh potting mix alone can often solve this completely. Cause 4, temperature stress or root bound. If you've ruled out water, light, and nutrients, look at environment. Cold drafts from windows in winter, heat from radiators, or AC vents blowing directly on a plant create invisible stress. The leaves yellow, sometimes with brown tips, and the plant just looks unhappy. And if your plant seems to be struggling no matter what you do, tip it out of the pot and look at the roots. If the roots are circling the inside of the pot with no soil visible, your plant is root bound. It's run out of space, run out of nutrients, and it's slowly suffocating itself. Pot up one size, and within a few weeks you'll often see new green growth appear. So your plant has yellow leaves. Before you water it, ask 3 questions. When did I last water? And is the soil still wet? Where is this plant sitting? And does it get real light? When did I last feed it or repot it? Most of the time, one of those 3 questions will hand you the answer. Yellow leaves mean your plant is communicating. Your job isn't to panic, it's to listen. And now you know the language. If this helped, there are more plant episodes coming, each one focused on one symptom, one diagnosis, one fix. Save this video for the next time your plant throws a tantrum. Your plant will thank you.